Hello and welcome to CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. We're going to have a look at this camper van here, Boxlife Platinum Selection from Knaus. And so this 600 MQ costs 70,000 euros and it's a standard 6 meter Fiat Ducato a camper van. So having a look at from the outside, there you can see it looks like all the other Fiat Ducato camper vans. Does it look like a Fiat Ducato camper van from inside? That's now the question. Table there, front facing bench. We've got here the kitchen block. Kitchen blocks sort of vary a little bit these days. 2 burners and a sink, that doesn't vary. Something daft like that, which is completely pointless, well, that does vary. That is absolutely ridiculous. It looks good when it comes to making the sale. Put some stuff up there and it's a good chance it might just fall off. Nice big storage place. And this, let's let this go. Soft close. Not everyone has that, so that's a positive point. Here we've got the fridge, Vitry Frigo, I believe. No, sorry, it's a Thetford, sorry. And in here we have the toilet unit. So actually, I think if you're looking for a Fiat Ducato camper van, the toilet unit is possibly the thing that tends to change the most from one manufacturer to another. If I get inside, you can see me. Why have I got my coat and hat on? Because it's freezing outside. And there you go. There's so much space you've got. I mean, you can't really expect any more than that vehicle. It's only 6 meters in length. Little sink in here fixed. I like that. I also like these things here, and they often come with something to put over the top as well. We've got down here, we've got the space to carry, keep your soaps and things. You've got a bit of space down there as well. I'm not certain of having. This is a washroom. Water's going to get in there. I've got my doubts on that one anyway. If you've got anybody else who's got any doubts on it, do say, or maybe it's just me being difficult. Did I show you this? I can't remember. There you go. You've got a wardrobe down there. You've got this board here up to the bed, and the bed here, mattress. Now this mattress here is sort of it's a foldable mattress, if you like, in 2 parts. You may want to consider looking at the one which is in foldable in 3 parts, depending on the option you're going for at the rear end. And the reason I'm saying that is because I'm going to take you around the back and show you the back. Lighting, I like that lighting. Don't suppose I use that colour very often, but I like it anyway. Deep drawers. There's a thing up there for skylight up there. Right, let's now go to the back and see the cleverest bit of this Fiat Ducato camper van. So this bit here will actually go up. You can it'll go up, and that will give you a huge amount of storage potential below. Now that, I think, is something which is really positive at this price range. Now you may think that's a waste of space, that under there. Well, when the bed goes up, I'm sure you'll think of something to actually do it with it. So from that point of view, I do actually like this conversion. There's other problems with it. Obviously it's a Knaus, it's a hesitate to use the word cheaper brand. It's cheaper in its manufacture, but no insulation in the back doors. It does, however, have windows in the back doors, the smaller ones, so which depends. Some have bigger ones, some have smaller ones. Depends what you're actually looking for. Anyway, it is a Knaus vehicle. I've been strongly recommending now for many years that people do not buy Knaus. Now we've got the police involved investigating the company. They're claiming that Knaus is claiming it was a victim of the very same things that I warned them of. But it's hard to accept that But then again, as it turned out, the person I was warning was one of those who's now gone from the company. So I was warning the wrong person who was ignoring my messages. So anyway, but all the same, I'd like to see some evidence that Knaus has changed, and I haven't actually seen it. So for the moment, I'm going to continue to recommend that people do not buy Knaus products. On the other hand, that as a basic Fiat Ducato campervan, that is a nice vehicle. Thanks for watching.